After our first night camping in Arizona at our favorite spot, what was that, Dom?
Tucson Mountain Park.
And spending the morning hiking the cacti-covered mountains, it's time to hit the road and continue the adventure. Our first stop is Saguaro National Park, and you'll have to stay tuned for the rest. So join us as we take the road less traveled.
We're out at Saguaro National Park.
October 6th. Saguaro National Park is split into two sections on either side of Tucson. As I'm sure you figured out by now, Saguaro is named for the giant cacti all around the park. I didn't find out until after the trip that saguaro is actually pronounced saguaro. The more you know. We explored the Rincon Mountain District, which is east of Tucson. This features an 8-mile scenic drive, which is mostly a one-way paved road with pullouts and a few dirt roads leading to trailheads. This means if you want a cool rolling shot, you have to run ahead so you don't create a traffic jam. It's hard work getting cool shots, especially in the desert. Did I mention it was hot?
I'm so out of breath.
I bet. I was seeing a video of you running. I was like, damn.
That guy was like hauling butt.
You were.
That guy was hauling butt.
And it was like... This is so cool.
We enjoyed the Sonoran Desert overlook and stopped at the Mica View picnic area to hike a bit and get the dogs out for a walk.
Oh, that's cute.
It's like dying.
Cool. Oh wait, what's this? Can we walk with the dogs over there?
Yeah.
Do that? Are you happy?
We hiked Mica View Trail, which is a dog-friendly loop that's about 3.7 miles long.
Come on, buddy. Little adventure dog.
We hiked for about a mile and decided to move on so we could explore elsewhere in the park.
That's pretty amazing.
We continued our drive down the Cactus Forest Loop and spotted Javelina Rocks between the 6 and 7 mile mark. Off in the distance are the Catalina Mountains. We didn't see any javelinas, but we did see and hear some warthogs. And I'm guessing these came from the Davis-Monthan Air Force Base.
Are you a hiking boy? Come here, buddy.
This was one of our favorite spots to get out on the drive because it gets you high up and you can appreciate the beauty surrounding you from all angles.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Careful.
That was a big jump.
After a quick stop at Javelina Rocks, we continued our way on the scenic loop and began heading towards Scottsdale. On the way to Scottsdale, we passed the world-famous aircraft boneyard at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base.
Here's the guppy. Oh, I got chills right now.
This is home to approximately 4,400 aircraft, making it the biggest aircraft boneyard in the world.
Where are we at, Babs?
We're at the Casa Grande Ruins.
Casa Grande Ruins.
Casa Grande Ruins. Ozzy, where we at, boy?
Where are we at, Ozzy?
Casa Grande Ruins.
Oh, that's right.
Along the way, we saw signs for the Casa Grande Ruins National Monument and decided to explore it for ourselves.
Where are we at, baby?
Casa Grande. It's an Indian structure built in 1350 and abandoned in 1450.
I'm getting pulled by Ozzy. Wow, look at this. Mi casa, su casa.
It's pretty incredible the Indians made that roof over it too.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm. They were an early Steel Age Indian tribe.
Mm. Look at those Indians. Wow. This is a massive house. Can we go inside it? Let's find out. This is cool.
Dom, Ozzy, and Oscar loved exploring the big house at the Casa Grande ruins. Our next stop was Scottsdale, Arizona, where we stopped for a quick pit stop to celebrate and grab some lunch. It was difficult finding parking in Scottsdale, especially with the travel trailer, but we managed to find it in a parking garage where there was a spot that seemed like it was perfectly made for our vehicle. Cheers to a great adventure and an even better date. Aww. The food was pretty good too. After Scottsdale, we headed towards our dispersed camping spot by the Agua Fria National Monument. This is only about an hour and 20 minutes from Scottsdale and an hour south of Sedona. Agua Fria National Monument is managed by the Bureau of Land Management. This is home to one of the most significant systems of prehistoric sites in the American Southwest. We camped out off of Bloody Basin Road, which is named for a massacre at the Battle of Turret Peak. Knowing this made for a very interesting night of camping. We got there in the dark and drove down this washboard road till we found a camping spot that was off this little main area. We backed in with the trailer, which handled the dirt and sand very well, and got out, set up camp, and called it a night. After a good night's rest, we woke up to this beautiful camp spot and got to play with the dogs for a little while before heading on the next leg of our journey.
Ozzy, ready?
And that concludes this episode of the Road Less Traveled Grand Tour. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our adventures. If you want to help support our channel, follow the link in the description to grab a patch, decal, or t-shirt. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next week as the Road Less Traveled heads towards the Grand Canyon. To the dirt.